Students, let's look at this question here, which is on vectors, and it was taken from the year 2012. Before question 9, this is past year question. So let's see the first part. So find the vector equation of a line passing through A and B with position vector 7, 8, 9 and -1, -8k respectively. I think that's pretty okay. The first part is a giveaway mark. It's really not difficult to get these marks here. So in the actual examination, please make sure this just take everything, okay, for this part. There's no reason why you shouldn't. So the line equation, line AB will be R equals to any point on the line. So I'll just use B, OB, and just going to find AB. A to B will just be -8, -16, and -8. So I could just divide this whole thing by -8. And this will give us 1, 2, and 1. So this will be lambda 1, 2, 1. The direction vector could be simplified. Okay, this is direction vector. So that's how you do the first part. So this point here, you could be any point. You can use OA or OB. So I'm just going to use OB. It really doesn't matter. Then we'll see how this will work, okay? So for the subsequent part 2, the perpendicular to this line from the point C with position vector 1, 8, 3 meets the line at point N. From point C meets this point here at N. Okay. Find the position N and the ratio of A and N. Okay, that is pretty okay also. So draw it out. Don't. So let's say this is A to B, line AB. So this is line AB. Okay. The perpendicular of this line meets C, which is actually 183 here. So 183 here, it will cut and touch N. Okay, find the position of N first. Okay, I think that's pretty okay because we have already found the line equation here. Says this is B, so this is 1, 2, 1. I'm not sure what's my A. I'm just gonna anyhow label my A here. It's okay. So now what you do is actually and since N is on line LB, right? So for some lambda is real value, what we could write down is actually ON is the line equation itself, which is -1 -8 1 plus lambda 1 2 1. Okay, so now we know that since angle CNB is equals to 90, so hence CN dot with D would be 0, 90 degrees. So we just use CN would be ON, which is -1 -8 1 plus lambda 1 2 1 minus OC, which is 183. We are just finding the lambda which correspond to this 90 degrees here. So the direction vector will be 1 2 1. Okay. So the direction vector is 1 2 1, and after which we're just going to let this be 0. As simple as that. So this case here, what I'm going to get is -2 -16 -2 plus lambda 1 2 1 1 2 1 equals to 0. So I'm going to dot this. So dot 1 times -2 will be -2 -32 -2 plus lambda 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square equals to 0. This will be 4. This is 6 lambda. That will be 36 over here. So lambda equals to 6. Okay. So that will be 2 plus 32 plus 2 is 36. So lambda is 6. There you go. So we managed to find my ON. My ON would then just be -1 8 1. Okay. Plus 6 1 2 1. Okay, just make sure that you use this part here. So this case here, once we get it, will be 5. 12 minus 8 would be 4, and this will be 7. Okay, so that's your ON. I think that's pretty okay. 547, hence N is 547. That's the coordinates that you get. What do you want? The position vector of ON. Yeah. So that's pretty okay. Then after which you need to find AN to NB. I think that's also okay. We just need to find the length and just divide. Nothing fancy there, I believe. So I'm gonna just find the length, okay? AN, so we have AN is equals to mod ANs. So N is 547. That will be 547 minus A, which is actually 789. Okay, so this case will be -2, -4, -2. That will be square root of 2 square plus 4 square plus 2 square. That will be 2 square 24. Okay, then after which you need to find what is NB. NB similarly is just NB modulus. Is OB minus OB, which is actually -1 minus of 547. Okay, is it 547? N is 547. Okay, great. So this will just be -6, -12, and -6. This will be square root of 6 square plus 12 square plus 6 square, and 6 square plus 12 square plus 6 square will give us 216. Square root 216. 216. 216. So we need to simplify this. Root 24 will be 4 times 6, right? So this will be 2 root 6. This 216, you can just take 216 divided by 4. Can't. You can 216 divided by 4. And see whether you could divide by 4 again. You can't. 9. Yeah, you can't. Say 4 times 9 times 6. So this is 4 times 9 times 6. This will be 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 root 6. Okay. So there you go. So A, what do we want? AN to NB is actually 2 root 6, 6 root 6. This will be 1:3. Okay, that's the answer. Yeah. So any question at all, please let me know. I think this is pretty okay. Let's look at the last part. I think the last part is pretty okay also. So find the Cartesian equation of line with reflection AC in the line AB. AC in the line AB will be this line here. So if this is the line of reflection, so AC is here, then what you need is AC over here, right? This over here is C prime. So C prime here. Make sure you know that this is 1:1. If it's a reflection in the line AB, this will be 1:1. Then basically, because N is 547, what we're going to do is actually just put this as 547. 547. And what we need is actually just using, what do you call it? We need these 2 points, right? This is a line that we're going to find. This is a line that we're going to find. So in other words, we need to use ratio theorem, the midpoint theorem, to find OC prime. Okay. So from here, this is part 3, right? Okay, we're going to let, we know that, okay, I'm just draw arbitrary stuff here. So I know that this is my C, this is my N, and this is my C prime. This is my O. C is 183. 183. N is actually 547. I need to find OC prime, so hence by midpoint theorem. Okay, what you need is actually ON is equals to OC plus OC prime divided by 2. So meaning, just remember that ON is the midpoint. Okay, then you just take OC cross multiply the 2 ratio 1 and 1. That's about it. So this case here, OC prime, this is 2ON. OC plus OC prime here. Then this OC prime equals to OC minus 2ON. we want to find OC prime. So OC would just be, I think it's just pretty safe for 8, 3, minus 2, 5, 4, 7. So there we go. So OC prime will just be minus 9, 0, 14, 3 minus 14, negative 11. Okay. Then OC prime is there. What we need now is AC. AC prime. So line AC. Direction of AC would be 7, 8, 9, right? AC prime, sorry. So it's minus 9, 0, minus 11, minus of 7, 8, 9, negative 16, negative 8, negative 20. Oh, pretty nice number. Okay. Then divided by 2, 4. Negative 4. Because all this could be simplified, this is the direction vector of AC prime, of line AC. Okay, direction vector of line AC. Okay, so this case here will be 16 divided by 4 will be 4, will be 2, and 5. 4 to 5. Okay, 4 to 5. Pretty neat. So from here, what we need is actually just rearrange it. I think it's pretty okay. Rearrange it. I copied wrongly. My goodness, this is bad. So this C here is minus 1, minus 8, 3. So I just need to fix my working here. Minus 1, minus 8, 3. Okay, great. Managed to see what went wrong actually, because the typing of this question, the values there are wrong. So now this part here, what you eventually get is the direction, which is 2 minus 2, 8. So just remember that the direction vector could be divided by 2. 1 minus 4, 1. And there you go. So once you get that ready, we're going to get line AC. Line AC, which is the line you want, the reflection line. We can just take any point. You can either take A or C prime. Obviously, A will be easier. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Plus the direction vector, which is what did I use previously? I used lambda, so I'm going to use mu now. I believe that is mu 1 minus 4, 1. Okay, so this case here is this is vector line equation. So Cartesian form. So for the Cartesian form, just remember Cartesian form will just be 7 plus mu equals to x. And after which you have y equals to 8 minus 4 mu, and you have z equals to 9 plus mu. So this whole thing here will just be x minus 7, make mu the subject, right? Equals to x minus 7, mu equals to y minus 8 over minus 4, mu equals to z minus 9. So this case here, hence the line equation, which is b, x minus 7 equals to y minus 8 over minus 4 equals to z minus 9. There you go. That's how you do this question here proficiently. Any question at all, please let us know, and I'll see you in the next question.